Hi there, family. Welcome to my AI Leaderboard Kingpin review. I'm Samuel from Unique Reviews channel, where I provide honest digital product reviews and offer super bonuses for products I genuinely believe in. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts on the AI Leaderboard Kingdom. So let's rewind right in. I hope you are so excited as I am about the incredible potential of AI Leaderboard Kingpin. It's time to explore just how powerful this product can be in transforming your life and income. Imagine a world where you can make money somewhere without any experience, upfront costs, or massive following. With AI Leaderboard Kingpin, that world is your reality. Let's see, there is person Jeremy Kennedy made 5,000 sales in $5,000. James and Max have been living the dream, consistently earning thousands of dollars daily by this platform by tapping the power of AI Leaderboard Kingpin. They have cracked the code to success, and now it's your turn. AI Leaderboard Kingpin review. What is it? AI Leaderboard Kingpin is a tool that claims to help you make money online by performing well on leaderboards for various products or competitions. It suggests that you can earn money without needing any prior experience, money upfront, or social media following. The idea is that it offers you a way to achieve financial independence from anywhere in the world. How does AI Leaderboard Kingpin work? AI Leaderboard Kingpin is a platform that helps marketers promote affiliates effectively. It uses artificial intelligence algorithms to find potential customers, send traffic to offers, and increase the sales of making sales. This AI technology gives users an edge, help them access new sources of website visitors, and can lead to impressive outcomes in their marketing efforts. Unlock the power of AI with AI Leaderboard Kingpin. Join now and start dominating leaderboards, boosting your profits, and achieving financial freedom. Don't miss out. Take control of your life success today. Link in description. Here are some testimonies of how people are earning. Here are people who made a decision by taking action and they went from zero to in leaderboards. Yeah, let's see pros of leader pin, kingpin leaderboards. With no previous following, no need to get in front of the camera, no skills needed, no difficult setup, no previous experience, no further investment, no need for your own website, and you don't even need your own offer. If you have an internet connection, you can now dominate leaderboards, make ton of sales to your own product sales and any other affiliate program, all with a leaderboard Kingpin. Cons indeed, I haven't found any other issue with AI Leaderboard Kingpin software so far. There are key benefits and features. Yeah, you can easily replicate and global accessibility. AI Leaderboard Kingpin provides a straightforward strategy that doesn't demand a pre-existing audience, any initial financial investment. You want to make more money, period. We are going to mess around here today and waste your time. No, we are into. It doesn't matter what you are into your personal life. If you want to hang out with your kids, if you like to travel, if you like good restaurants, then this is for you. Utilize artificial intelligence for maximum results. The platform's incorporation of artificial intelligence enables users to harness its extensive capabilities through the use of AI tools and methods. Marketers can direct specific traffic to their promotions, pinpoint lucrative niches, and enhance their marketing campaigns. The AI algorithms provide valuable insights and suggestions, empowering users to make informed choices based on data and achieve improved conversion rates. Dominating leaderboards and generating profits. One of the standout features of AI King Leaderboard Kingpin is its focus on leaderboard contests. Leaderboard represents the top performing affiliates who bring in the most sales for a product. With AI Leaderboard Kingpin, users can select new products daily, use AI driven strategies to drive buyers to those products, and compete for top positions on leaderboards. This not only generates substantial profits but also opens doors to additional rewards and prize money. Ready to recharge your marketing efforts with AI Leaderboard Kingpin? Click the link in description and get started today and unlock your path to financial success. Yeah, we tend to focus on product launches because that is where a ton of action is. That is where you cannot only make a ton of money but also win prize money. You can also win prize money by purchasing this leaderboard kingpin. Yeah, let's see who is behind AI Leaderboard Kingpin. AI Leaderboard Kingpin is a project of James Renoff. Unlike others who make softwares, he offers helpful training and real life examples. James is good at affiliate marketing and shares his tips for doing well in affiliate competitions. He likes using AI tools and short content to boost marketing on various platforms. What makes him special is that he focuses on useful ideas instead of just software, making AI Leaderboard Kingpin a valuable resource for affiliate marketers. Let's see the advantages of AI Leaderboard Kingpin. Comprehensive training. AI Leaderboard Kingpin offers the training and real life examples to help people succeed in affiliate marketing. Proven strategies. They teach strategies that you work for successful product sellers to consistently do well in affiliate contests. No need for expensive software. You don't need expensive software. They show you how to use affordable or free tools. Diverse traffic sources. They explain how to use different platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube to get traffic. Efficient content creation. You can make content quickly using AI tools like radios, avatars, and voiceovers. Email list building. Building an email list is important as it helps you collect potential customers and send them to affiliate offers. Flexibility in promotions. Having an email list gives you flexibility in marketing various offers and making more money. Ready to supercharge your marketing efforts with AI Leaderboard Kingpin? Click the link in description and start today and unlock your path. Disadvantages of AI Leaderboard Kingpin learning curve. While the training is comprehension, newcomers to affiliate marketing may face a learning curve in implementing the strategies effectively. No guaranteed results. Success in affiliate marketing depends on various factors, and AI Leaderboard Kingpin does not guarantee specific income or results. Requires consistency. Consistency. Building an online presence and email list to AI generated content requires ongoing effort and consistency. Is AI Leaderboard Kingpin legit? Yes, of course, AI Leaderboard Kingpin is legit by James Renoff is a legitimate affiliate marketing training program. It focuses on comprehensive training and proven strategies, not quick fix software. It promotes AI generated content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube and emphasizes building an email list for lasting success. While results vary, it offers valuable AI based insights for affiliate marketing success. Come on, unlock your affiliate marketing potential with Leaderboard Kingpin. Join now and rise to the top of the affiliate leaderboards. Click the link in description. Thank you guys. Have a good day.